Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Alpha 24-hour Ergonomic Task Chair. Assembly Guide. Included in the box are seat pad with mechanism already attached, backrest, a pair of arms marked L and R, 5-star base, gas strut cover, 5 casters, Allen key, bolts. These are pre-inserted into their respective holes to prevent them from getting lost during transit. Use the Allen key provided to remove these. To start, take the 5-star base and insert the casters into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the base over and drop the gas strut into the centre. Take the gas strut cover and place it over the gas strut like this. Each arm is marked underneath with either L or R to indicate if it should be fitted to the left or right side of the chair. Using the 8 25mm bolts, attach the arms to the seat pad. We recommend you use the Allen keys provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. Attach the backrest to the seat pad using the 3 18mm bolts. Again, do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. Next, with the help of another person, lift the chair onto the gas strut. You should feel it slot into the hole in the base of the chair. Position the plastic tube for the lumbar pump within the Velcro fastener on the side of the chair. Please keep the Allen keys to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it. Your new Alpha 24-hour Ergonomic Task Chair is ready to use. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.